It's one of the most common greetings in English, but man, can it be tricky. What's up? It seems so simple, right? But the wrong reply can just kill a conversation before it even starts. Well, today we are going to make sure that never happens to you again.
Come on, we've all been there. Someone casually walks up, says what's up, and your brain just completely freezes, right? Do you launch into your entire life story? Do you just say good? It's that classic little moment of social panic. But hey, don't worry, that feeling, it ends today.
So, in the next 5 minutes, you are gonna be a master at this. Here's our game plan. First, we're gonna decode what what's up actually means. Then I'll give you the perfect way to reply. After that, we'll check out some alternatives and even look at how it went from what's up to sup. And by the end, you'll have one super simple takeaway that makes this whole thing a piece of cake. Let's dive in.
All right, first things first, let's decode this thing. And trust me, the good news is it is way, way simpler than you're probably thinking.
So, what does what's up really mean? At its heart, it's just a super casual way of asking, hey, what's new? Or what's been happening in your life? The key is to think of it less like a serious question that needs a big, detailed answer, and more like just a friendly little knock on the door to start a conversation. Okay, so now that we know what it means, let's get to the good stuff. How do you reply perfectly? I'm going to give you a simple go-to formula that's basically a social superpower. It works every single time. The secret? It's a super simple two-step process. I want you to think of it like a game of tennis. Step 1, you give a short answer. That's like hitting the ball back. Step 2, and this is the most important part, you return the question. This is what keeps the conversation or the rally going. It's how you keep the ball in play. So for that first step, hitting the ball back, you've really got 3 go-to answers. The absolute most common one is not much. It just means, nothing crazy is happening. Same old works pretty much the same way. Or, hey, if something is new and exciting, you can share a quick little update like, oh, I just got a new job. And now for step 2, the magic ingredient. After your short answer, you just add, how about you? Or what about you? Seriously, this is the whole key. It's what turns a simple, kind of awkward greeting into an actual conversation. It's polite, it's friendly, and it shows the other person, hey, I'm interested in you too. Okay, so you've pretty much mastered what's up, but what about all its cousins? Let's check out some other common greetings you'll hear, because they all basically work the same way. So you might hear things like, what's new? What are you up to? Or what's going on? And hey, if your friend is feeling really casual, they might even hit you with a, what's shakin'? But here's the best part. That same 2-step formula we just learned, not much, how about you? Yeah, it works perfectly for every single one of these. Okay, pay attention, because this is the one big trap you absolutely have to avoid. What's up is not the same thing as how you been. This is so important. What's up is asking what is new, so you answer not much. But how you been is asking how you are feeling. So that's when you say good or great or not bad. Honestly, getting this one little difference right is a total game changer. All right, let's have a little fun with this. This phrase has had such a cool journey through pop culture. It went from a pretty formal question all the way to a world-famous catchphrase. Let's take a look at how it evolved. Way back when, it all started with the super formal, full-on question, what is up? I mean, you basically never hear anyone say it like that today, but that's where its roots are. Then, over time, it just naturally got shorter and became the standard what's up that we all know and hear every day. But then pop culture grabbed a hold of it and gave us that iconic, super relaxed pronunciation, what's up.
And from there, with texting and just super casual chats, it got squeezed down even more into the tiny one-syllable sup. So you've got 4 stages, all leading from one simple greeting. And of course, you absolutely cannot talk about what's up without talking about this, that legendary 1999 Budweiser commercial. You remember it, a bunch of friends on the phone just yelling what's up at each other. That commercial literally turned the greeting into a global phenomenon. It's cemented in pop culture history forever. Okay, let's wrap this all up. I'm going to give you your final takeaway. Basically, everything you need to remember all on one simple cheat sheet. So here it is. This is your What's Up cheat sheet. Number 1, it just means what's new. That's it. Number 2, your absolute best, safest reply is not much. 3, the golden rule, always return the question with, how about you? And finally, never, ever forget that critical difference. It is not the same as how you been. And that's it. You've got this. You are now totally equipped to handle this question with absolute confidence. So, let's give it one last practice run. You know exactly what to do now, so hey, what's up?